What is commercial speech and how is it regulated? Imagine walking through a busy city street and seeing billboards, flyers, and ads everywhere. Have you ever wondered what rules govern what businesses can say to promote their products? Today, we're going to explore how commercial speech works and how it is kept in check by laws. Commercial speech is any message that promotes a product or service. It can be spoken, written, or shown visually. Think of advertisements on television, online banners, or even a sign outside a store. The main goal is to encourage people to buy or use something. Unlike political or artistic speech, commercial speech is directly linked to buying and selling. Even though commercial speech is protected by the First Amendment of the United States Constitution, this protection is not as broad as it is for other types of speech. The government can step in and regulate it more easily. This is because the government wants to prevent false, misleading, or deceptive ads that could harm consumers. For example, if a company claims their product can cure diseases when it cannot, the government can act against that false claim. The key legal case that shaped how commercial speech is regulated is called Central Hudson Gas and Electric Corporation versus Public Service Commission. The Supreme Court set up a four-part test to decide if a government rule about commercial speech is fair. First, the speech must be about legal activities and not be misleading. If the ad promotes something illegal or false, it is not protected. Second, the government must have a good reason for the regulation, like protecting health or preventing fraud. Third, the regulation must directly help achieve that goal. If it does not, it might be considered unfair. Fourth, the regulation should be as narrow as possible. It should not restrict more speech than necessary to meet its goal. In practice, this means truthful ads about legal products usually cannot be banned completely. But the government can require businesses to include certain information to prevent deception. For example, warning labels about side effects or clear pricing details are allowed as long as they are related to stopping false claims. This is called compelled commercial speech. The rules must be reasonable and connected to the goal of protecting consumers. Knowing these rules helps you as a consumer understand what information you are entitled to receive. It also helps businesses know what they can and cannot say in their ads. The balance is to protect free speech while making sure consumers are not misled or harmed. Commercial speech is a vital part of our economy, but it is also carefully regulated to keep everyone safe and informed.